Hello and welcome to Play CCN. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. Well, carbon taxes are making a comeback. Well, not here in Australia, but in other parts of the world, especially Europe. The Climate Council and Victoria University published a report showing Australia faces an annual $4.5 billion bill for inaction on climate change if major trading partners follow Europe and create their own carbon border taxes. As we know, Europe is moving ahead with a tax to force climate laggards like Australia to take more action on reducing emissions. Carbon taxes are actually growing in popularity. There are currently 35 carbon taxes and 29 mandatory emissions trading schemes in operation today. The World Bank said carbon pricing is an essential policy instrument to transition to net zero. The European Union's emissions trading scheme has grown to cover around 41% of total EU emissions. The scheme is seen as a major tool to reach net zero. The International Monetary Fund is reviewing a proposal for a minimum global carbon price. So even if Australia fails to act on climate change, the rest of the world may force Australia to act with billion-dollar tariffs. The GEA Refrigeration Technologies Division is now operating under the name GEA Heating and Refrigeration Technologies. GEA said the name change reflects the company's leading position as a supplier of sustainable heating and cooling technology under one roof. In product news, Trane has introduced a new R1234ZE chiller, which is designed for high temperature data center environments. The chiller features magnetic bearing centrifugal compressors that have been optimized for handling high water temperatures. Meanwhile, Duncan Microstack, which is a cloud-based HVAC&R solutions company, has released a compressor safety solution. The digital pressure temperature sensor can be used for residential and commercial systems and can measure one pressure input and two temperature inputs. It is compatible with all ASHRAE safety groups of refrigerants, such as A1, A2 and A2L. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Temperzone. Thank you for watching.